Your back is getting so close, you have nowhere else to go. You only go low so that it doesn't drag you, because sometimes they want to have fun, showing how powerful they are.
We're getting closer, chat. Episode, chat. Nice to meet y'all, team. You ready to spot some gorillas, man? Right now we are gorilla tracking. I see the gorillas over there. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're honking. All right, what do we do? I want to get like closer. Baby's so cute. It's a baby. I need the baby to come over here.